Consider a RISC machine where each instruction is exactly 4 bytes long. Conditional and unconditional branch instructions use PC relative addressing mode with offset specified in bytes to the target location of the branch instruction. Further, the offset is always with respect to the address of the next instruction in the program sequence. Consider the following instruction sequence. They have given us 4 sample instructions: I1, I plus 1, I plus 2, I plus 3, and the target of the branch instruction is I. Then the decimal value of offset is dash. So in the question, it's a question from computer organization. Here they have given us these 4 instructions and they are telling us that this is a branch instruction I plus 3 which has an offset. Now this offset should specify to which instruction it should be branching to, and in the question they have given us that the target of this branch instruction should be I, meaning this instruction should branch to instruction I. So we need to find out what the offset should be. Now there are a few key points mentioned in the question. One is that each instruction is exactly 4 bytes long, and then the other important point is that the offset is always with respect to the address of the next instruction. Always with respect to the address of the next instruction. Okay, and also they are saying that offset is specified in bytes to the target location of the branch instruction, that to PC relative addressing mode. Now we'll take a look at this instruction. Let us say instruction I is at address 0. We can take any sample address, and each instruction will be 4 bytes long, meaning the instruction I plus 1 will be at address 4, I plus 2 will be at address 8, I plus 3 will be at address 12, and if there were one more instruction, the next one would have had address 16. Now after I plus 3 we need to branch to this address. Now when we are branching to this address, that difference in these 2 addresses, that's what we need to give in offset, because they are specified is PC relative addressing mode. So whatever is the difference between the current address and the address to which we should be branching to, that should be given here. Now they have given one more thing, that this offset is calculated with respect to the next instruction, with respect to the address of the next instruction. So if I plus 3 is the branching instruction, the address of the next instruction is I plus 4, that is 16. Now with respect to this, we need to calculate the offset of I. Now I's address is 0, this one's address is 16, so the difference between these two is 0 minus 16, that is minus 16. So this will be the offset that we need to enter here in order to branch to instruction I. So the answer is minus 16.